Okay. Okay, so last lecture we have seen what is mean by regression and lines of regression, right? And I think we have seen also line of regression of y on x and line of regression of x on y, right? So now we see coefficient of regression. Okay, so coefficient of regressions. So the coefficients of regression are denoted by bxy and byx. Okay, so first of all, the coefficient of regression, the coefficient of regression of y on x is denoted by byx. The coefficient of regression of y on x is denoted by byx, and which is given as summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N, whole term divided by summation of x square divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N bracket square. सो का आणि स्मॉल आर आपण कशाने डिनोट केला होता, इथं फक्त एक टर्म ऍड होते इन सॉरी ते स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये होतं, राईट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we see next is the coefficient of regression of x on y. So the coefficient of regression of x on y is denoted by bxy is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N and divided by summation of y square divided by capital N minus summation of y divided by capital N bracket square. Okay. So these are the coefficients of regression. Okay. So this is the coefficient of regression of y on x. हे लक्षात कसं ठेवायचं, y on x ला x शेवटे सो डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये x च्या टर्म आहेत, x on y ला y शेवटे सो डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये y च्या टर्म आहेत. ठीक आहे. सो नाउ the equation of line of regression of y on x is given by the equation of line of regression of y on x is given by y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. And second one is the equation of line of regression of x on y. The equation of line of regression of x on y is given by x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Okay. So here we have given the coefficient of regression, that is byx and bxy. Okay. So byx is denoted by this and bxy is denoted by this, and these are the lines of regression. Okay. आता हे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचे. ठीक आहे. एक्स बार म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, मीन ऑफ एक्स, अँड वाय बार म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, मीन ऑफ वाय. ठीक आहे. हे लिहून घ्या, एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलं की लक्षात येईल. फक्त एकच एक्झाम्पल आपण हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करून सॉल्व्ह करणार आहे. बाकीचे सगळे एक्झाम्पल आपण कॅल्सीचा यूज करून, हे जे BY(x) अँड BXY च्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत ह्या कॅल्सीवर मिळतात आपल्याला. ओके. सो जास्त एफर्ट्स घ्यायची गरज नाही. एक एक्झाम्पल फक्त डिटेल्स मध्ये बघू, बाकीचे सगळे एक्झाम्पल कॅल्सीवरती सॉल्व्ह करू. ठीक आहे, लिहून घ्या. डन. ओके. ओके, सॉरी, लास्ट एक लिहा. The coefficient of correlation, the coefficient of correlation and the coefficient of correlation by using coefficient of regression, by using coefficient of regression is denoted by using coefficient of regression is denoted by small r is equal to square root of multiplication of coefficient of regression bxy into byx. Okay. And last one एक लिहा, the lines of regression, the lines of regression intersects, हे point MCQ साठी आहे. The lines of regression intersects at x bar and y bar, which is nothing but mean of x and y. ठीक है. So the coefficient of correlation by using coefficient of regression, or what is the relation between coefficient of correlation and coefficient of regression काय असणार आहे? Small r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. Okay. लिहून झालं की सांगा, आपण एक्झाम्पल बघू. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपण एक्झाम्पल बघू. चलो, राइट डाउन. Find the equations of lines of regression. Example number 1. Find the equations of lines of regressions. Find the equations of lines of regression and also the coefficient of, and also find the coefficient of correlation from following data. From following data. So we have given the values of x and y as, मी कॉलम वाइज लिहिते, रो वाइज लिहून परत मला कॉलम वाइज लिहावे लागतील. सो x च्या व्हॅल्यू दिले 62, 64, 65, 69, 70, 71, 72 and 74. The values of y are given as 126, 125, 139, 145, 165, 152, 180 and 208. Now we find x square, y square, xy. So x square is equal to square of 62 is 3844, 4096, 4225, 4761, 4900, 5041, 5184, and the square of 74 is 5476. Now square of 126, 15876, 15876, 15625, 19321, 21025, 21025, 27225, 23104, 23104, 32400, 32400, and last is 43264, 43264. Now x into y, 62 into 126 is 781280009035 then 10005, then 11550, then 10792, 12960, then 15392, 392. Okay, so now we find summation x, summation y, summation x square, and summation y square, and summation of xy. So summation x is equal to 547. Summation of y is equal to 1240. Summation of x square is equal to 37527. 37527. Summation of y square is equal to 197840. 197840. And summation of xy is equal to 85546. 85546. And capital N is equal to how many values of x are given? 8, right? Now we have to find x bar and y bar. ठीक है? So x bar म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? Addition of all the terms of x divided by capital N.
Yeah.
Yes. So x bar is equal to summation of x divided by capital N. So summation of x is 547 divided by capital N is 8. So x bar is equal to 68.375, and y bar is equal to addition of all the terms of y divided by capital N. So summation of y is 1240 divided by 8. So sum y bar is equal to 155. ठीक आहे. हे आपल्याला लाइन्स ऑफ रिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स अँड वाय काढताना हा एक्स बार आणि वाय बारचा यूज होईल. आधी आपल्याला कोएफिशियंट्स ऑफ रिग्रेशन फाइंड करावे लागतील. ठीक आहे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड BY(x). So now coefficients of regression. Yes, Prashant, you want to ask something? Rituja? Okay.
No, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, ठीक है, no problem. So BY(x) is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N and divided by summation of x square divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N bracket square. Now we put the values, so we get which is equal to 85546 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 into 1240 divided by 8 and whole terms divided by 37527 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 bracket square. So after simplification we get 95.125 divided by 15.7344. So the value of BY(x) is equal to 6.0457. Okay, now we calculate BXY. So BXY is equal to summation of XY divided by capital N minus summation of X into summation of Y, divided by N and whole term divided by summation of Y square divided by capital N minus summation of Y divided by capital N bracket square. Now we put all the values 85546 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 into 1247 divided by 8 and whole term divided by 197840 divided by 8 minus 1240 divided by 8 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर 95.125 divided by 705. So the coefficients of regression bxy is equal to काय आला 0.1349. ठीक आहे. आता आपल्याला हे दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू मिळाले. now we find the equation of lines of regression. So first of all we find the equation of line of regression of y on x. The equation of line of regression y on x. So which is equal to y on x, y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y bar किती आलता आपला 155 minus byx किती आलता 6.0457 into x minus x bar is 68.375. So y is equal to काय येणार आहे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर y is equal to आपण लाईन ऑफ रिग्रेशन कसं लिहिलं कॉन्स्टंट प्लस x ची टर्म ना. सो y is equal to minus 258.3747 plus 6.0457 x. So line of आपण the equation of line of regression of y on x लिहिलं होतं y is equal to a plus bx, right? Now we find the equation of line of regression x on y. The equation of line of regression x on y, right? And which is denoted by x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. So x minus x bar is 68.375. X minus 68.375 is equal to bxy is 0.1349 into y minus y bar is 155. After simplifying this, we get x is equal to minus 47.4655 plus 0.1349 y. Okay, so we get these two equations of line of regression. Now we calculate coefficient of correlation by using the coefficient of regression. So r is equal to square root of byx. हाँ
मैम समेशन x आणि समेशन x स्क्वेअर अजून चेक करा.
समेशन x 547.
मैम माझं 545 येत आहे आणि समेशन x स्क्वेअर 37235 येत आहे.
ओके.
हॅलो मॅम.
हा बोला.
मी डाटा मध्ये देताना 74 होतं लास्टला 72 आहे त्यामुळे.
हा
74 आहे.
Okay, so here we small r is equal to square root of byx is 6.0457 and bxy is 0.1349. So small r is equal to 0.9031. This is the coefficient of correlation.
हॅलो मॅम. x is equal to प्लस येणार ना 47
प्लस येते.
हा yes मॅम.
155 into 0.1349 which is equal to 20.1995. हाँ yes, positive है. ठीक है. So this is write down. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
We have given some data and we have to find lines of regression. Okay, similar coefficient of correlation, we have found the values of x, y, x square, y square, x, y, and again summation of all these terms. Okay, now x bar and y bar is nothing but mean, that is summation of x divided by number of observations or number of values we have given. Now coefficients of regression, that is byx and bxy. So by using this formula, we found the values of byx and bxy. Okay. So then we move towards the equation of line of regression of y and x, which is denoted by y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So we get the equation of line of regression of y on x as y is equal to minus 258 point something plus 6.0457x, and the line of regression of x on y is given as x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So x minus 68. So we get equation of line of regression of x on y as x is equal to 47.4655 plus 0.1349y. And finally, we find the coefficient of correlation by using the coefficient of regression, that is square root of byx into bxy. So we get the value of coefficient of correlation as 0.9031. So the value of r is positive. So we can say that there is the positive correlation between the given values. Okay, so now write down the next example. The following results were obtained. The following results were obtained. The following results were obtained from the marks applied mechanics from the marks in applied mechanics and engineering mathematics and engineering mathematics in an examination. So we have given mean and standard deviations, and from that we have to find the coefficient of correlation and coefficients of regression. So first of all, write down marks in applied mechanics, marks in applied mechanics, which we are going to denote by X, and marks in engineering mathematics, which we are going to denote by Y. Okay. But we have given the mean and standard deviation. So mean 47.5 and 39.5. Second, we have given standard deviation 16.8 and 10.8. So here 47.5 is X bar, 39.5 is Y bar, 16.8 is sigma X, and 10.8 is sigma Y. Okay. Now by using the X bar, that is mean and standard deviation, and the value of R is given. So small r is equal to 0.95. Okay, by using all these value, we have to find the equation of line of regression of y on x and the equation of line of regression of x on y. Okay, so write down. Okay, so first of all, write down. जर byx and bxy फाइंड करायचं असेल तर byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. bxy is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y. So now ठीक आहे किंवा डिरेक्टली फॉर्म्युला काय आहे द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन ऑफ रिग्रेशन of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x into x minus x bar, and the equation of line of regression of x on y, the equation of line of regression of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. आता इथं तर आपल्याला r ची व्हॅल्यू दिले, सिग्मा y ची दिले, सिग्मा x ची दिले, सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू दिले, फक्त इथं पुट कराव्या लागतील, राईट. सो काय येणार आहे y मायनस y बार किती दिलाय 39.5, right, is equal to r is 0.95 into sigma y is 10.8 divided by sigma x is 16.8 and x minus x bar is 47.5. So after simplification, y is equal to 10.49 plus 0.6107 x. This is the equation of line of regression of y on x. Now we calculate the equation of line of regression of x on y. So x minus 47.5 u is equal to 0.95 u into sigma x is 16.8 divided by 10.8 into y minus y bar is 39.5. So after simplification, we get x is equal to minus 10.87 plus 1.4778 y. Okay. So this is the equation of line of regression of x on y. ठीक आहे, इकडे लक्ष द्या. हे आपल्याला काय दिलंय, मीन अँड स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशनच्या व्हॅल्यू दिले, दॅट इज एक्स बार अँड वाय बार दिलंय, सिग्मा एक्स अँड सिग्मा वाय दिले. ठीक आहे, ज्यावेळेस मीन आणि स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशनच्या व्हॅल्यू दिल्या जातील त्यावेळेस एकतर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, काय वाय मायनस वाय बार इज इक्वल टू, आणि तुम्हाला कोएफिशियंट ऑफ कोरिलेशनची पण व्हॅल्यू दिली जाईल. So if the values of x bar and y bar are given, the values of standard deviation sigma x and sigma y are given, and also the value of coefficient of correlation is given, then we have the equation of line of regression of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma x upon, sorry, sigma y upon sigma x into x minus x bar, or we can write this as y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. But again we have to find byx, which is nothing but byx is equal to small r into sigma y upon sigma x. Okay, or the equation of line of regression of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y into y minus y bar, or we can write this as x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Okay, again this bxy is nothing but r into sigma x upon sigma y. ओके, जर मीन अँड स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशनच्या व्हॅल्यू दिल्या असतील तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करावा लागेल तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, आणखी हे 4-5 एक्झाम्पल बघू मीन आणि स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशनचे, देन तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल. ठीक आहे, सो राईट डाऊन दिस एक्झाम्पल. ओके, हे लिहिलं. हे मीन आणि स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन दिले असतानाचे एक्झाम्पल आणखी आपण बघू, समजेल तुम्हाला. फक्त हा फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवावा लागेल, बाकी काही नाहीये. ठीक आहे,
डन मॅम.
ठीक आहे. एक एमसीक्यूचा
नो
पॉइंट.
मॅम.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे. याच्यावरचे आणखी एक्झाम्पल आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला बघू आणि देन आपला जे काय व्हॉट वी से विदाउट मीन अँड विदाउट स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन दिलेले एक्झाम्पल नंतर सॉल्व्ह करू. ठीक आहे, झालं हे लिहून? ठीक आहे. सो एक छोटस एमसीक्यू साठीचा पॉइंट आहे तो बघू आणि आपण थांबू. अगेन आय हॅव लेक्चर ऑन DSY. सो राईट डाऊन द equation of two lines of regression are given. The equations of two lines of regression are given. First one is 6y is equal to 5x plus 90 and 15x is equal to 8y plus 130. So find the point of intersection or find x bar and y bar or points of intersection. So ओके, तर हे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन और एक्स बार और वाय बार फाइंड करायचं म्हणजेच काय करायचं, हे दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन फाइंड करून एक्स ची जी व्हॅल्यू येणार आहे ती म्हणजेच एक्स बार असणार आहे, वाय ची जी व्हॅल्यू येणार आहे ती म्हणजेच वाय बार असणार आहे. सो वी कॅन राईट दिस इक्वेशन ॲज 15x हे मायनस 8y इज इक्वल टू 130 अँड दिस ॲज मायनस 5x प्लस 6y is equal to 90. Okay, now multiply. If we give at equation 1 and this equation 2, so multiply equation 2 by 3. So we get multiply equation 2 by 3. So we get 15x minus 8y is equal to 130 minus 15x plus 18y is equal to 270. Now adding these two equation we get 10y is equal to 400. So y bar is equal to काय येणार आहे 40, राईट. आता आलेल्या ह्या y बार ची किंमत ह्या कुठल्याही एका इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट केली तर काय येणार आहे, कुठल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करूयात आपण, आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची ना. सो 15x is equal to 8 into 40 plus 130. So 15x is equal to काय येणार आहे 320 plus 130. So which is equal to काय येणार आहे 450 divided by 15. So x bar is equal to काय येणार आहे 30. So the x bar and y bar, that is the points of intersection, are 30 and 40. ठीक आहे, अशी कुठलेही दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन देतील दॅट आर नथिंग बट इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन्स ऑफ रिग्रेशन. ओके, ते दोन इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह करून जी काय आपली एक्स आणि वाय ची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे ती म्हणजेच आपले काय असणार आहेत एक्स बार आणि वाय बार. एमसीक्यू ला विचारू शकतील, कुठले तरी दोन इक्वेशन्स देतील एक्स ऑन वाय अँड वाय ऑन एक्स. सो व्हॉट आर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन और व्हॉट आर द एक्स बार अँड वाय बार. So just solve these two simultaneous equations. So we get the values of x and y, which we are going to denote by x bar and y bar. Okay, write down this. ओके, झालं हे लिहून?
येस मॅम.
ठीक आहे. एक एक्झाम्पल होमवर्कला देऊ का आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला सॉल्व्ह करायचं मिळून?
होमवर्क द्या.
मॅम द्या मग.
ठीक आहे. So write down the example for homework. Find the equations of lines of regression from the following data. Find equations of lines of regression from following data. Also find coefficient of correlation. So we have given the values of x and y as 80, 45, 55, 56, 58, 60, 65, 68, 70, 75 and 85, and the values of y as 82, 56, 50, 48, 60, 62, 64, 65, 70, 74 and 90. Okay, so find the equation of line of regression of y on x and x on y. Then by using the coefficients of regression, find the value of coefficient of correlation. Okay, so okay, try to solve it, otherwise we will solve it in next lecture. अच्छा, झालं लिहून हे?
येस मॅम.
ठीक आहे, आपण थांबू इथे. आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आणखी एक्झाम्पल बघू.